all good things must come to an end. One way or the other, naniniwala ako that we have to agree sa linyang yan. Lahat ng bagay na kinangingiti mo, kinagagalak mo, kinasasaya mo, one day you will have to bid goodbye. Magpapaalam tayo sa mga bagay na beneficial sa ating mga puso't damdamin. Even the people you love, one day will leave. Maybe naturally, or by departure because that person chose somebody else. So kung lahat pala ng bagay pwedeng matapos din, lalo yung magagandang bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, then what is really the price of falling in love and giving your all? If one day, mawawala din naman. So what's there to be had? Kung pag nagmahal ka at binigay mo ang lahat, darating yung araw hindi mo na siya kasama. Ano nga ba? I don't really know the clear answer to that. But you know what? When you fall in love and give your all, gaano man kaiksi ang buhay natin, it makes your life worth living. Kasi nasubukan mong ibigay ang bahagi ng pagkatao mo. Kahit alam mong pwedeng masaktan ka. For me, that makes it worth living for. Just love someone. Why? Because you love someone. That's it.